Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you another new airdrop called Datagram. Datagram is part of the Depin ecosystem. The project aims to create a system that ensures fast connectivity and rapid data transfer. They are working on building an efficient system to achieve this goal. If you want, you can visit their website for more details. So right now, as you can see, they've raised 4 million in funding and it's a confirmed airdrop, which is great. If we look at their investors, Amber Group and some tier 3 and 4 investors are backing them. If you visit their X account, as you can see, they have 163k followers at the time of making this video. If you scroll down, you'll notice they are active here to build a strong community, which is another positive sign. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. In the pinned message, you'll find all the airdrops I am personally farming. The link is in the description, so check it out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide the Telegram link in the description where you'll find the link. After clicking the link, you will land on this page. To get started, click on the sign up button. Then click on sign up with Google. Select your email and continue. Now here, set your username and confirm. Finally, you will land on the main dashboard. Now click on wallet. And here you need to download their notes. So click on download. The app is available for Mac, Windows and Linux. So here I'll choose Windows. And wait for the software to download. After it's complete, open the software and install it. Then open the software and enter the same email for login. Check your email for the code, copy it. And paste it here. As you can see, the node is connected. You need to run the node in the background. Now go back to the dashboard, and here you will also see the node is connected. You will see your total points here. In the rewards section, you will see your total points when you have many. Finally, in the referral section, you will find your referral link. You can copy this link and share it with your friends or on social media to boost your points. I'll give you all the updates over time, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.